So, there we were, 8 strangers about to embark on a vibrant journey through the beautiful landscapes of Iceland, exploring the sharp mountains, powerful waterfalls and famous black sand beaches. After we all met, just like that we began our journey, learning about each other along the way.
So Sandeep, where are you from?
From New York.
Oh really? I'm from New York too.
Where are all you guys from? I'm from Germany. And I'm from Hong Kong. I'm in New York.
Our mission was to embrace the amazing creations that this island had to offer, and mine was also to capture them. From the longest beaches, gigantic waterfalls, wandering icebergs, and to a plane wreck out in the middle of a black sand desert. The drives around the coast were long, but the roads were beautiful. Experiencing these insane locations together and sharing the same memories was bringing us closer. Together, we experienced all the elements, the gloomy but spectacular cold days, and the warm welcoming sun as we ventured to incredible waterfalls. And towards the end of the trip, we realized that we were no longer strangers, but good friends, who had shared an unforgettable experience together. Sometimes it's not just about the places that make a great adventure, but it's the people you explore them with too that truly make the journey what it was. And sometimes the gear that you take with you too.